After hearing about 10's Vivid Kingdom playing cards, I was eager to get my hands on a deck of them. The vibrant designs and intricate illustrations captivated me, so when they announced their crowdfunding campaign, I immediately pledged an investment. But due to production delays and shipping complications caused by the pandemic, it took over a year and a half before I finally held my own stack of cards in my hand. The craftsmanship and care with which these playing cards were made are second to none. 10 poured his whole being into it. Delays were caused by the participation of companies at a variety of points along the process. Nevertheless, I am fairly happy with how things turned out in the end. You should always have a deck of cards on hand, even if you don't play games or do card tricks often. Some people only care about how well the material handles water, how thick it is, how easy it is to shuffle, or how it feels overall. Some people care most about how something looks, whether it's the art, the text, or the size. The ultra-strong, flexible material resists cracks, or getting them torn and scuffs. They're also washable. If they get sticky, rinse or wipe them. Let's crack open a pack of 10's Vivid Kingdom playing cards and have a look at what we have here. Just by glancing at these cards and comparing them to other packs I have owned in the past, I can tell that this deck is of higher quality. I think you'll really enjoy the Vivid Kingdom deck if you're into cards with interesting artwork. After everything is said and done, the only reason I purchased this deck was because of 10's creative design. As soon as I picked up the deck of cards, I could feel a magical vibe emanating from them. The bright hues were vibrant and captivating, faithfully conveying 10's designs to life. When I fanned out the cards in my hands, they shimmered in the light like a brilliant canvas of art. As I opened the box, my eyes lit up with amazement. 10 had outdone himself. Clearly no expense was spared in creating this deck of cards. The patterns glimmered in the light while each card seemed to be crafted with special care and consideration. Even though I'm not a card player or magician, it was clear that these cards were far superior to any free decks I had received before. If you want a deck for yourself, you might want to stop watching the video right now. If not, let me show you.